Hi, this is Leah from BitOgenius, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Shrink and Grow Power-Up in Pixicade Mobile Game Maker. With the Shrink and Grow Power-Up, you can turn an object in your game into an item that, when collected, will briefly make your avatar either grow larger or shrink smaller. The Shrink and Grow Power-Up is one of the many awesome features you can get with the Pixicade Extra subscription. If you would like to learn more about Pixicade Extra, click the annotation in the top right corner to watch a video about Extra's awesome features. To apply the Shrink and Grow Power-Up, go to the Power-Ups menu for your game. If you would like to learn how to create each of the Pixicade game types, click the annotation in the top right corner to watch a playlist full of tutorials. Scroll and click the Item category from the toolbar. Tap the Shrink and Grow Power-Up. Select the object you want to apply the power-up to. This object can be any color because objects that are turned into items will override the original color it was drawn in. Then, use the sliders to set the scale and duration. Dragging the scale slider to the left will make your avatar shrink. Dragging the slider to the right will make your avatar grow. Shrink and Grow items turn orange and shiny, and optionally have a small icon to indicate what it is to players. If you do not want this icon to be visible, you can toggle it in the power-up settings by clicking the Show Icon checkbox. The Shrink and Grow Power-Up can currently be used in Get the Goals, Maze Maker, Super Slingshot, Hole-in-One, Brick Breaker, Paddle Battle, Volley Versus, and Bumper Run games. Pixicade is always updating, so check back for new compatible game types in the future. Play around to explore all of the awesome games you can create using the Shrink and Grow Power-Up. If you have any more questions, you can email us at support@bitogenius.com, and we are happy to help you. Enjoy creating and playing your own video games with Pixicade Mobile Game Maker.